Wow. Wow. That's amazing. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we have my P-40, man. A P-40. I don't know if I showed you guys this. It's been sitting in the tuck, man, for a while. A really long while. I love this plane. I absolutely love it. Let me make sure my control surfaces are going correct while you guys get a nice little look right here. Okay, these are correct. This is correct. My ailerons are not on high rates. There you go. There you go. Switch to low rates. Beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna give you guys a look. Wow. High rates, flip to low. Wow. Now this is one of my favorite planes. This is why I don't fly it as well. Just like the Corsair. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Now this is a 4S. On there, 1500. Wow. Nice little touch and go. Can we do it? There you go. Wow. I love this plane, man. Wow. I could literally do whatever I want with this plane, man. Wow. Look at that, straight towards us. Man. Wow. This thing is phenomenal, man. Wow. Whew. When it's on high rates, man, this thing kicks. I got it all the way at 100% with 30% expo. Let's try to flat spin. Let's get real high up there. All right, ready? Oh, what was that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What in the world was that? Wow. Whoa. I just learned a new trick. Look. Watch this. Woo! Wow. Wow. This is probably about the lowest I ever tried inverted, man. Wow. Gets out of inverted with no problem. Whoa. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna leave this setup just like this. 35 amp. This is a 1300 kV motor, my favorite purple motor. You guys know that's my favorite motor, man. Wow. Wow. Whew. Look at that, man. I'm gonna try a really low pass. Think I could do it? Wow. Wow. Wow, this is the lowest I ever been. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo, wow. Wow. Oh, I had to land it. I see my barbecue skirt coming off a little bit. Let's make sure that's fine. Beautiful landing. Let's get it back up there. Wow. Wow. I want to try that really low, man. It's sketchy for me. I've never done it before. But as easy as it is with this plane, why not? Let me see. I got to bring it in this way. All right. Maybe I could bring it low again. There you go. There you go. See if I can bring it low again. There you go. I want to bring it right in front of us before the battery dies at least. There you go. Wow. 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 That's amazing. That's really amazing. Oh, crashed it. It was all right. Oh, wow. And maybe a landing gear, but it's all right other than that. Yeah, landing gear bent just a little bit. Is she flyable though? Yes, she is. But we're just gonna switch to another airplane. Just like that. This thing's still good. Wow, man. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? That was my first time ever trying something that low, man. That was sketchy for me. That was real sketchy for me. But all right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for staying this long in the video, if you guys did. And I hope to see you in the next one. Stay creative.